Sitting at almost 5,000 feet high at the peak of Whiteface Mountain is one of the most revolutionary laboratories in all of New York. But for the research team here, this is only the base of where it all begins.
This is the last mountaintop site like this remaining that does cloud water measurements in the U.S.
For more than 50 years, the University at Albany's Atmospheric Research Center has led the nation when it comes to analyzing how our atmosphere is responding to change.
Climate change is one of the most important problems that this world faces. And so it's the more research we do to understand how the climate is changing, the better that we can think about how we can deal with that going forward.
Led by researcher Sarah Lance and a group of graduate students, their findings have already curved recent climate change trends.
Try to figure out what's going on and just trying to put things together, trying to understand it from different perspectives that we haven't had in the past.
Sitting atop the fifth highest peak in the state, this laboratory collects samples directly from the clouds.
We do this every 12 hours, and after 12 hours, it dumps into an individual vial or bottle that's 1 liter size.
These samples can date back as far as 2018, where Lance and her team are beginning to notice trends that can have impacts on our climate. For me as an everyday person, or the people that are going to see this, why should they care, and what should be things that they are looking out on, and how could this affect their future going forward?
So in the past, the sulfate concentration was really dominating the aerosol composition. So this is something we've regulated and we've reduced. So the air quality is improved. So it affects both air quality, health, and visibility, and also climate. So there are climate impacts as well.
One story above is where all the magic happens, with samples being collected from the roaming clouds overhead in a view that's unmatched.
Quite different, as you say, like inside the building. Working it's kind of dark in there and a lot of noise, a lot of pumps, and then you come out here and it's nice confirmation of what you're seeing with the data.
For the team of graduate students working alongside Lance, this opportunity is rare.
I'm just excited to be, at the forefront of new research and new things that we didn't understand or can better understand to have a better idea of how we can help take care of our environment and our climate.
With half a century of history and a plan to change the future of the world, this lab's work can't be overlooked.
They're leading the world in this kind of research. It's a great team doing really fundamentally important work for society in terms of better understanding the climate and the role humans are playing in climate.
Josh Connor, Spectrum News.